Hey there, fitness enthusiasts and curious souls. Today, I want to dive into a story that's not just about health and wellness, but also about breaking down barriers and creating a welcoming space for everyone. Let's talk about the Irish app, Revelate Fitness, and how it's revolutionizing the gym experience. Personally, I think this app is a game changer, and I'm here to share why. First things first, have you ever felt intimidated by the gym? I know I have. The idea of stepping into a class and feeling like you're the only one who doesn't know what they're doing can be a major turnoff. But what if there was a way to make the gym feel more like a community and less like a competitive arena? That's exactly what Chris Kennefic, the mind behind Revelate Fitness, aimed to achieve. What makes this app so special is its focus on accessibility. Kennefic wanted to create a system that anyone could use, not just fitness enthusiasts. And he succeeded. The app is designed to be user-friendly, with users feeling comfortable within minutes of trying it out. This is a huge deal, as it breaks down the barrier to entry for people who might be new to the gym or don't identify as gym bunnies. Now, let's talk about the magic of Revelate Fitness. The app personalizes each class to its user, setting individual targets and allowing instructors to focus on helping participants with their form and technique. This means that, regardless of your fitness level, you can still participate and improve. For example, a 76-year-old man, Chris Dad, can train alongside an inter-county hurler, and both can still win because they're racing against their own targets. One of the most fascinating aspects of Revelate Fitness is its ability to track progress. The app records the number of meters you've done, with the goal of reaching 1 million. And get this, there are people who have already achieved 7 million meters. This is a testament to the app's effectiveness and the motivation it provides. But what does this app suggest about the future of fitness? Well, in my opinion, it suggests a shift towards a more inclusive and personalized approach to health and wellness. It raises a deeper question: what if we could create gym environments that are welcoming and supportive, rather than competitive and intimidating? This app is a step towards that vision, and I believe it's a trend we should embrace. So, if you're looking for a way to ease into the gym or just want to try something new, I highly recommend giving Revelate Fitness a go. Who knows, you might just find your new fitness buddy. And remember, in my opinion, the real magic of this app is its ability to make the gym feel like a community, where everyone can thrive and achieve their goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.